Himal, we are in this very interesting phase where technology seems to be the overpowering thing, taking over tax. So, in your view, what are the big trends that you are seeing, and what's your experience working in your organization with tax and technology?
Rohitan, so when we talk about tax technology, the first thing which comes in the mind of every person is that how do I adopt to the evolving changes with the least work which I have to do. On a technological front, there are a lot of tools which are available. Whether I can use it, not use it, whether they are, I can put them into use for my data. That is where, some first person who comes in tax technology would come in and say, Acha, there is some advancement in tax, but we are not aware that how will that impact us. So this is where, tax technology will, bifurcating or dividing it into a smaller pieces, that how, what is the data which the government is looking forward, what is the data which you are getting from your ERP, how can you devise a solution around it, that what is the requirement and what is the extract, and how you put that together. That in my idea would be entirely a subject called as a tax technology. Though there are a lot of government has been coming up with a lot of series of tax advancements and simplifications, but adopting it in organization is somewhat required. Not does not only require that what is the government requirements. It has to be first that whether my ERP, whether my own systems are ready to adapt that changes.